Good evening. Welcome to Video is Powerful. We just kind of want to show you how video is powerful and how we can use it in school. So first off, let's learn a little bit and see how video is powerful.
Sure enough, 5 minutes after we walked through that door, they knocked on the door and notified us that our son was gone.
We're looking at picture.
That was a Gold Star family that you could see how it affected them. Let's also look at something a little lighter. Video is visual, where you can see it. It's auditory, and it helps you remember. And the nice thing about video is you can back it up at any time that you want. Now, those are things that might provoke emotion. The first one might be a powerful response as to how you feel. And if you're having a powerful emotion right now, that shows you how powerful it can be. Or sometimes it can be laughter too. So let's look at how we can use these things in the classroom. Here we see two different types of video that we can have access to. It's on YouTube, two different styles. There's one here with Mr. Stonecipher in the classroom using a PowerPoint to show some things. It's about looks like it's about an 8-minute particular video of teaching a particular lesson on sketching the graph of a rational function. And here we have one of Coach Stoughton. It looks like it's something to do with the distance formula using the Pythagorean theorem. The nice thing about video in these situations here is these kids can watch these at home or even at school, like on their free time, and they can pause and back things up. I once had a student tell me, like, she made good grades on work, but she always did the work watching from the video. And I go, how come it's the same thing I'm doing in the classroom as I'm doing at home? She goes, yeah, but Coach Stoney, at home I can back you up whenever I want to, and I can shut you up whenever I want to. So, but anyway, it's a way that YouTube can be used in the classroom to help with learning. And what I like about it is we have some nice color on here and some things as you see these here, as you can watch these videos. Here we have a video of in Miss Hardy's class of a student-driven one that they've done to help emphasize learning that is student-driven. Here we have recap, which is a student-driven thing. A teacher sends out a response, and the students can answer with a video, or they can answer in a written format with a response back to something then very quickly. And we also have what we call Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is video of the teacher has actually put a lesson up, and when you get to the question mark here, this question appears to check for student understanding, to check if the students are learning. And also at this point, you can get these answers are graded for the teacher, comes right back, and we can check very quickly how many students have mastered something. So it's pretty cool the way that Edpuzzle works. Here's the one I thought was very interesting about using Plickers. I actually watched the video of the left of Coach Stoughton teaching Plickers and saw it because I uploaded it into YouTube. And then because I saw the video, it made me want to do this also. It's a very cool way to help teachers improve teaching, because we saw something another teacher was doing and said, hey, I want to do that, because it was really cool. And so anyway, here is Google Classroom. Now, I really like Google Classroom because what I do in my Google Classroom is the following. I have, first off, this link right here is videos. If you click on it, it will take you right to all my videos of the entire lesson, where they're formatted out right here. You can see that there are basically in this particular skill, it looks like there are 14 short little deals, and you can see the time-wise, that looks like this one here is about 4 minutes and 23 seconds. And the other one here, the short, most of them are average about 2 minutes long, a little longer. As to, as you can look up here to see these, so that the kids know what's going on. There's short little lessons there. If they also, I have on Google Classroom PowerPoints and all the other stuff they can get to, the way the technology is being used in the classroom. Hi, I'm Coach Stoney, and I just wanted to say this here. I firmly believe in what we're doing and what we want to do. And basically the short version of it is this here. I think that if we had some stuff where more teachers can do some things, you don't have to be eloquent speaking. Kids actually like it when you kind of mess up or when you do something funny. And it's out there for the whole world to see. They'll laugh at it, they'll be talking about it. And what do we want kids to do? We want kids to be doing their homework. We want them to be talking and learning about what's going on in school and those kind of things. And video is a great way to do it. And what our presentation is about how we can use video to help improve instruction. Think how powerful things are that you've seen, television shows you've watched, or anything. And what's great about video, like I said, you can pause it at any time. You can shut me up, you can back me up, do whatever you need to kind of to help with the learning and hopefully have a little bit of fun. And you can do it on your time. So, you know, if you want to do it for early in the morning or on your lunch break or, you know, at night when you get back home. Because think about it, how many times have you been when you were in school going, man, I understood it when the teacher was talking about it, but now that I'm home, I don't have a clue what happened. So you can go back and pull it up, check out and see what's happened. All right? I would say this video is very, very powerful. Hey, here's what I want you to know about some work that I did. This was the amount of work completed the 9 weeks prior before I did flipped instruction with video work. And I want you to notice right here, only about close to 52% of the kids were turning in their homework on time. Yet, when I went to the flipped instruction, it rose to 77% in my first period class. It was a 26.2% increase. And in my sixth period pre-calculus class, the first year I did this, only 44.7% were actually turning in their work on time. That amount rose to 78.1%. for a 33.4% improvement. And the reason was because they had access at home to go back over and learn some things. So, and here's what we want. Basically what we're asking for is some iPads to record with, 10 of them, which at $409 each is $4,090, right? We're asking for an enhanced audio bundle. I think we have one. That's basically puts the microphone right up close. Some camera mounts and some floor stands to use these. All the professional development will be provided with the district, and there's a 2-year warranty. The total cost of this is $9,090 to the district, and what this will do is this will allow us to provide at least 2 cameras in each department that people can use to help record, to help improve teaching. So that's what we're asking for, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation as much as I enjoyed making it.